Okay, here's a 2-point perspective of the L-shaped box again, only this time we're going to divide it into 15 equal parts. So here's a sketch that's done with 8 equal parts, L-shaped building, and we'll just do this part, number 2. So here's the ruler. When you flip it around here, this will give you the ruler for the horizon line. So we'll just break that off into the 4th part. So here it is at 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. So now it's a quarter of the way down from the top of the page, vanishing points on the left and the right. And we'll just pick a orange color here just to start this off. And this time, instead of drawing it from the top like this, we're going to do the base, in this case the floor plan. So just a simple rectangular shape and another one to make the L shape. So there's the base of it. Now just dragging posts up from each piece, and that starts to build up the rectangular shape. Just wrap it right around. You can see it goes right to the L-shaped all the way around. So there's like hidden lines as well as the whole light construction lines in orange. So now we'll just take a color and just fill this in so you can kind of see it's the back wall. We'll just put it on a layer here and lock it so we can work above it. Let's see if we can do that. Didn't hit the lock button. So there's the floor plan. Now just take a different color just to give us the front, side, and the top. We'll just simply click, click, click with the pen tool this time, so it's using anchor points. And we'll wrap right around there just to give us that color, a little bit lighter. Give it a green just so you can see the difference in the top part. So there's the L-shaped building, and now the part of dividing it into 15, this time equal parts, a little uneven, but here we'll try it with a ruler. So here's the ruler with the regular traditional inches, half-inch, quarter-inch, and you could do this, just find a number divisible by 15. In this case, I'll just flip it over since I have one that makes it easy. Again, you can use anything lined that's even, like a piece of notebook paper. Rotate this, 15's too many, so we'll go 7.5 right there. And now just to make this easy, see if I can, there's some guides, these are old guides, so just hide them and start, make it fresh. There's the rotation, 7.5. Take the line segment tool, in this case just a ruler will mark it off. And there's all the markings. I'm just going to hide the ruler in the pages and move these lines over till they intersect the corner. Direct selection tool, use the align tools for height and width and put it right on the vanishing point. Take the same one that I copied, direct selection tool, align, hitting both, and now you have just a matter of taking the direct selection tool, click on the line, allow me to grab the end point, just shorten it up. So if it's in pencil, you're just drawing this out there and hopefully just drawing it onto the surface, not the whole line all the way back to the vanishing point. You'll zoom in just so you can see it. So it's just a matter, just doing one at a time. And you could probably stretch all of them in there, but it wouldn't give you the vanishing point to the horizon line. It would distort it. And I did copy it, so I'll just paste a section in here, group it together, and just slide it right in there. Adjust it for the height and the width. Then just take the direct selection tool and drag it right in there. So now I have a section piece in there, and here I have the vanishing points. I'm just dragging these points right in and bringing this together. So now everything's connected down to the base, and have everything all locked in there. And there it is. Taking the other side and just moving this over. And everything's connected. Easily done. And now just kind of go in and just going to simply take the colors and change the line segments and do a little bit of coloring of the walls, a little bit to change those, give a little more color, and then put in a little gradient and a cast shadow and place that in there. It's all done. 2-point perspective, 15 equal divisions.